30 seconds.
You can learn more about black spruce dog sledding at blacksprucedogsledding.com.
15 seconds.
And good luck to Jeff on his second Iditarod, headed
10,
to Nome, Alaska.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
There goes Jeff Dieter on Iditarod 46. All right, folks, bib number 46. Please welcome to the start line from Girdwood, Alaska, Nicholas Petit. Nicholas Petit, 38, grew up in Normandy in France and always loved animals. He moved to Alaska in 1992 because he loved snow. He adopted Ugly, a gorgeous Alaskan mutt, put a harness on him, and the adventure began. He traveled all over the state and began racing while working for Iditarod veteran Jim Lanier. He says, quote, in 2011, Jim's hip gave him trouble, so I took his wonderful white huskies to Nome. He has also lived in